Hi, I have in front of me here a roll of global 30-meter fibre optic pre-terminated cable. It's pre-terminated with FC-PC connectors. It comes in this outer bag, which you can see here. And the bag comes with, it's a seal bag, I've just cut it open here for this demonstration. But it comes with the name of the product, the key description of it and the overall length. And the length is very handy, particularly if you're going to be stocking a range of pre-terminated fibre optic. Obviously, pre-terminated is extremely popular simply because it just takes all the hassle and expense out of putting on the connectors, which is extremely a difficult process. In terms of the specification of this cable here, it's single mode, 3mm outer diameter steel armour cable. It's LS-ZH rated, which means that it's low smoke, zero halogen. And the key point here is that this is specified often for commercial industrial things. They say that it's non-halogenated, flame retardant. Basically, if there's a fire, then it won't emit smoke. It's suitable due to its PVC coating for internal or external use. Okay. So what I've done actually is I've sacrificed a cable here just to show you the general construction of this cable and give you an overview of how it is. So we have just a connector here on the end, and I've taken off the dust cap. Dust cap should be on at all times, basically because it's key to keep out any type of dust or contamination from the fibre optic cable, which is in the centre here. The cable itself is an outer diameter, as I mentioned already, of 3mm. Inside that we have braiding, inside that we have our steel armour, and we have an inner core, and then we have the fibre optic cable which is inside, and the outer diameter of that is 0.25mm, or only 1/10 of the actual diameter of the cable here itself. If we looked at the connector on the end here, we can see there's a little groove slot here which allows us to line up a barrel or a connection if we're putting it on a splitter. And when we slot it on securely then, there's a thread on the outer casing here which allows us to screw it and lock it into position. Now, typical applications of this would be something like uses inside the telecommunication industry. We'd use it for high-speed data transfer, or also for TV distribution as well. And indeed, cables can be used for multiple of these uses together. Now, this particular cable is 30 metres, but it's part of a wider range, ranging from 5 metre all the way up to 200 metre. They're all manufactured by Global, which is very much the industry leader in it. And we also have a huge range of accessories with it, such as joiners, there's L&B ranges, there's splitters, etc. That are all, again, manufactured by Global Infocom.